So you might be saying, okay, I understand about the Strategy Factory Workshop, but what about the person teaching it? What about Kevin Davey? What does he know about trading? Well, first off, I was a 3-time trophy winner in the Premier Futures Trading Contest. It's a worldwide contest. It's real money. And 3 years in a row, I finished with over 100% return using the principles that I now teach in the Strategy Factory. So that's verified by a third party, so you know that's accurate. And it shows that the Strategy Factory method works. I've also written 3 best-selling trading books. My first book came out in 2014. That's Building Winning Algorithmic Trading Systems. And then since then, I've written 2 more best-selling books. You can get these on Amazon and learn a lot about what I do and how I teach, and a lot about some of the Strategy Factory principles in these books. But there's a reason they're best-selling books. It's because they tell you the information you need to build strategies with in a method and in a way that you can understand. And that's tended to resonate with a lot of traders. It's not some abstract theoretical stuff, it's practical knowledge. So I've written the books, I've won the trading contests, and I've also taught 6 other World Cup trading champions. Now, these weren't necessarily people that finished in first, although a couple of them did, but they finished in the top of the standings, and that's a big deal. So not only can I trade myself, but I can also teach other people to trade, and that shows up with these other award winners who I've worked with. So what you get from me is both proven trading success and proven teaching success, and that's a pretty powerful combination to have.